Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to hide WhatsApp status from some contacts. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel. First one, who open your WhatsApp and tap on status. Now here you have to click on top right 3 dots. After click on status privacy. Now here by default it will be above my contact, so if you want to make it private or you want to show your status to a specific contact, then you have to click on only share with. Now select the specific contact to whom you want to show your status. After click OK. In this way, you can hide your status from any specific contact. Thanks for watching this video.